friends, welcome to Hazel and Ryan's Peppy Ways. So today I am going to show you a craft that everyone has loved, a topic which everyone loves. Don't you all guys love unicorns? So I specially am making this video for you guys because you like unicorn and you like unicorn charms, and many of them include hot glue gun, but this won't. So I'm gonna show you how to make this with glitters and a few best out of waste materials. So make sure to watch till the end and give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any notifications. And here was what I'm gonna show you how to make. So this is a unicorn dust charm. You can make it as a bracelet or a charm or a keychain. So look at this glitter inside it. Okay, I'm gonna give you a better view. Can you see how glittery this is? It's unicorn dust. See? Whee! So good. Don't you all guys like unicorn and its glittery things? So make sure to give a big thumbs up and keep watching. So let's get started. So now I will tell you the materials required. First we will require an empty tape reel. Then we'll require a hard paper or a cardboard covered with one side white paper and one side the color you want. I'm using purple. Glitters, you can use two colors. I'm also using two colors. Some glue. You can use hot glue gun or fevi glue also, fevi hot gun or whatever. A sketch pen, any color, a strip of glitter paper. Make sure these three are all the same colors. Scissors and transparent paper. I guess you can't see because it's transparent. Okay, so let's get started. First, we'll take this roll and we will put glue. Glue on one side on the roll. Okay, now we will take this and we will stick the white side here, or you can stick the other side and wait for it to dry a little bit. And till it dries, you have to draw a shape you like in the middle of the roll. I'm going to draw a heart. You can draw whatever you want with whichever color you want. And I'm drawing dots in the heart. So my heart is done. And now we will wait for it to stick. Now it's well glued. Now we will cut the sides like this. This unicorn glitter charm is gonna look very pretty. So make sure you try it, and it's with very few materials. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, a thread is also required, a very little length. And carry on cutting. Make sure you're very careful because it should not go in the area of the reel. Otherwise, the charm glitter will start coming out. Okay. So now I have cut it and it looks like this. At the back it looks like this. Now we will take our glitter and we will put it in. I love glitter. It's so shiny and sparkly. Wow. It looks so good. I'm gonna put green glitter also. I've put a lot of it and it's gonna turn out so good. Sparkle, sparkle. Shall I put more? Oh yeah, of course I will.
Green.
Green? Yeah, sure. I'll put pink too. Aha, I put green and I'll put little bit of pink. It's kind of purplish pink. Now, before it all breaks down and comes out, we will take the transparent paper and we will place it on it like this. And so this is how it's going to be covered. And we'll put a little, very little glue so that it sticks the transparent paper on the top. Little. Okay. Okay, so I have put it and now we will put the transparent paper on the top. Okay, so now we are going to use the thread. You have to be very gentle with it. We'll slowly put like this. Like this. Ta-da! And we are going to put the thread around. Oh, it's kind of tough. So now I've done putting glitter and taping it and glue gun and all. Now I have put some glue on this shiny thing and I'm gonna put it on the sides like this. And so that's gonna give it some more effect of little magical thing. I've put it. I finished gluing up the side tape and it looks so good now. Sparkly and glittery. Now it looks so good. I'll play with it now. Unicorn glitter magic, or you can also call it pixie dust. It's also shiny. Hope you like the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon. And friends, say me which color glitter did you use? And hope you like the video. Bye.